question that's probably going through your head right now is why? Why would you bother cleaning or detailing a car like this? That's a good question. So this is not the type of car I usually get to work on, but the purpose of this video is just to show you what a good clean slash detail can do to a car like this. So on a project like this, I'm obviously not gonna spend as much time washing it. I'm just gonna blast through the wheels and then give the paint a good clean. And then depending on how the condition of the paint turns out, because I can't really tell from all this dirt, so depending on how that turns out, I might give this car a one-step polish just to make it look pretty, and we'll go from there. So on a car like this, I personally don't think it's worth using an expensive wheel cleaner such as Coach Chemie Magic Wheel Cleaner or just any IR remover. I'm just going to be using this is Brake Buster, P&S Brake Buster in an IK Foam Pro 2. I'm going to pump it up, spray it on the wheel. All right, so product of choice here. This is Coach Chemie Pre-Foam Efficient. This is in high alkaline pre-wash. Has an insect remover inside of this, so this is going to be perfect for this car. that's the pre-wash done. I'm gonna be using CarPro D-Scale to wash this thing. This is an acidic shampoo. I feel like this is just a better option than using a pH neutral shampoo in this case. So CarPro D-Scale, just gonna put this in my foam cannon and then just start washing the car. I'm not even gonna bother using buckets this time. I feel like that's, you know, 2-bucket wash is just a little bit unnecessary in this case. So CarPro D-Scale. So I'm just using a microfiber towel here. This will work just fine. There's just so much contamination on here, so I don't really want to ruin my my good wash mitts. So microfiber towel is just the best option here. Look at that. We can even get behind here. Next step, this is a chemical decon. This is an iron remover and a tar remover in one product. This is CarPro Tricks. I'm gonna let this sit on the paint for like a minute or two, rinse it off, and then I'm gonna clay the car with this ultra clay scrubber by the Red Company, and I'm gonna use it with Coach Chemi clay spray. So I just finished cleaning the car. I'm gonna rinse this off, then dry this thing. It's getting pretty late, so I think what we're gonna do, I'm gonna continue in the morning. I think we're gonna give this thing a one-step polish, just so you know, make the paint a little bit more glossy than what it is right now. So I'm gonna rinse it off, and then I will catch you guys in the morning. right, so guys, this is pretty much the finished result. Me and my dad, we did a one-step polish with Coach gave me fine cut. We also used a fine cut pad. I also did some work on the headlights just to make them look a little bit better. They're not perfect by any means, neither is the paint. But considering the time that we spent on this car and considering the condition of the paint, I think this turned out pretty good. I still have a couple of finishing touches to do. I have to dress the tires, and then who knows, maybe we'll put a coat of wax on here just to finish it off.